Good morning, friends. Let us start part 4, chapter 12, Smart Charts and CERT class 5. In this video, we will learn about family tree and growth of a plant. How a plant grows with number of days. So this is NCERT class 5, page number 167 to 169. So let us start. Family tree. Madhav went to a wedding along with his parents. He met many relatives there. Whenever we go to our family parties or some wedding, we saw several relatives there, but he didn't know everyone. He didn't know everyone. He met his mother's grandfather. He met with his mother's grandfather, but found that her grandmother is not alive. Okay, her grandmother is already died, but he saw mother's grandfather. He also found that her dadi, that is grandmother, is still alive and is more than 100 year old. More than 100 years old. How old is your grandmother? Please write in comment box. Madhav got confused. He couldn't imagine his mother's grandmother's mother. So Madhav's mother made a family tree for him. So how he can understand who is who? So his mother made a family tree. About the family tree we have learned right from the first class in EVS. So it is the same thing. Her mother made like this. First generation, that is Madhav. At the lowest end you can see Madhav, and Madhav has a father and mother. So at second level, second generation, you will see Madhav's parent, Madhav's father, and Madhav's mother, Sobhana. Okay, now Madhav's mother. This family tree is towards Madhav's maternal family, grandmother, maternal, grandfather. Okay, so you can see in first generation Madhav is there. In second generation, Madhav's father and mother is here. In third generation, we say grandparents. So third generation is grandparents. Fourth generation is great grandparent, and fifth generation is great great grandparents. Okay, first generation self, second generation parents, third generation grandparents, fourth generation great grandparents, fifth generation great great grandparents. Okay, you can see on above each of above level there are two. About to mother, two, his mother to above, two, father, now four, now eight. Okay, so let us see some questions depending upon this chart. Madhav's Madhav's mother helped him to understand her family chart, family, with the help of this drawing. You can also find out your older generation using such family chart. So you can prepare family chart for your family also. Now, how many grandparents in all does Sobhna have? It's about Sobhna. Okay. So the answer is four grandparents. Everyone has four grandparents. Two maternal grandparents, two paternal grandparents. How many great grandparents in all does Madhav have? So you can see eight. Okay. How many elders will be in seventh generation of his family? So seventh generation has sixth generation of Madhav's family, 8 to the 16. Seventh generation of Madhav's family, 16 to the 32. So seventh generation of Madhav's family will have 32 elders. You can see this is fifth generation, and in fifth generation there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fifth generation has 8. So 6 generation will have 16, 7 generation will have 32 in this way. Okay. Next question is, if he takes his family tree forward, in which generation will he have find 128 elders? So number of members in 7th generation 32, number of generation in 8th generation, next generation, every time it will be 2 twice, so 32 to the 64. In next generation, ninth generation of mother family, 64 into 2, every time whenever it will be go back, the members will increase by twice, so 64 to the 128. So answer is ninth generation. Okay, so the number of members in ninth generation of mother family will be 128. Okay, so now growth of a plant. So growth chart of a plant. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter in first 4 days. Growing faster. So in on initial days, you can see the plants grew slower than the later days. So you can see in plants nearby you, initially they grow slowly, thereafter it grows some fast process. Amit measured the height of the plant every 4 days. So what Amit started? Amit started to measure the plant after every 4 days and put a dot mark on a chart. For example, if you look at the dot mark on the fourth day, you can see the left side of the scale, that is 1.4 centimeter high. Now look at the height of the each dot in centimeter and check from the table if he has marked the dot correctly. The chart is on 0th day, the height is 0 centimeter. On 4th day, height is 1.4 centimeter. On 8th day, height is 5.3 centimeter. On 12th day, height is 9.5 centimeter. On 16th day, 10.2 centimeter. On 20th day, 10.9 centimeter. So what you can see, later it started growing slowly. Here it start with some faster process and again some slow process. So after certain days, height of the plant is fixed. It doesn't grow thereafter. So it attains its maximum height. Okay. So growth of the plant is maximum in between days. Okay. So let us see whether he has marked dot correctly or not. So here is the dot chart. You can see on 0th day it is 0, correct है. On first day it is on fourth day it is 1.4 centimeter. Height is here. You can see this is height 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In between you will find here this is 0.5. Every time this is 0.5 line. So this is 1.5, this is 2.5, this is 3.5. So you can count like this: 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and so on. Okay. On 8th day, you can see he has marked 5.3, correct. On 12th day, it marked 9.5, correct. On 10th day, 10.2 centimeter, correct. On 20th day, 10.9, correct. So he has marked the dot correctly. Now find out from the growth chart between which days the length of the plant changes most. You can see length of the plant changes here to here and here to here. It seems to be high. So on which 2 days? Either it will be 4 to 8 days or it will be 8 to 12 days. So what is difference between 4 to 8? Between 4 to 8, 8, 5.3, and on 8th day 1.4. So 5.3 minus 1.4, it is 3.9 centimeter. And from 8th to 12, 9.5 minus on 8th day 5.3. So the difference is 4.2. So this is maximum growth. So the answer will be 8 to 12 days. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Next, what could be the length of this plant on 14th day? On 14th day, we do not have the length of the plant on 14th day. Amit hasn't marked, but we can guess. On 12th day, it is 9.5. On 12th day, you can see it is 9.5. And on 16th days, it is 10.2. So on 14th day, it will be something between 9.5 to 10.2. Okay. It cannot be more than or equal to 10.2. It cannot be less than 9.5. So what could be the length? 8.7, no, because it is already crossed 9.5. 9.9, yes, it could be. 10.2, no, because 10.2 is the length on the 16th day and we are asking for 14th. 10.5, no. Okay, so what is the answer? 9.9. Okay. Next, will the plant keep on growing? No. No plant can keep on growing all the time. After certain height, it will stop growing. Like human, you will see height of your father doesn't change wherever your height is changing every time. Okay, so after attaining some specific height, thereafter it doesn't increase in length. Okay, so what could be the height on 100 days? It could be around 18 centimeter or 17 centimeter, between 70 to 20 centimeters something is the height of the moong dal plant on 100 days. So this is all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.